What is up everyone, Jflores here, and this is how you should serve your meatballs. Psh. No more long intros. So first, we're gonna season this with salt, paprika, and Leia and Parents, which is, yun nga, Worcestershire Sauce. Tapos, we're gonna add some tomato ketchup, and then panahon na para i-add yung carrots and onions, followed by some flour and eggs. The full recipe will be down below, so don't worry. Ngayon, haluin ng maigi when you're done with the ingredients. I'm really bad in Tagalog. So yeah, just mix everything around. Use some gloves or better yet, use some spatula or whatnot. Pero it is better when you use your hands with gloves. And now for the most exciting part, we're gonna stuff the meatballs with what you see here, which is some chilies, some Frankfurters, some eggs and cheese. Good luck kung sino yung makakuha ng chilies because that is somewhat mean. Basta, this is gonna be exciting and I bet you will love this. Your family will love this. Ito yung dapat yung gawin when you serve meatballs. Now, it's up to you kung anong ilalagay nyo inside, kung anong filling yung gusto mo. But I chose these kasi yun nga, Frankfurters really good, eggs and cheese, and then suddenly you'll get that chili, which is really weird and it sucks if you get that. So just do this until maubos yung mga filling nyo or stuffing, and then after you're done, put it in a chiller or iparelax nyo muna yung meat because we're gonna coat these with breadcrumbs. It will be berry. Anong berry? Jewberry? It will be very crispy. So yeah, I wish I could get that. Cheese na lang lahat. Pero yun nga, wala nang thrill if you'll have all goods. Anong all goods? If you have eggs and cheese and Frankfurters, buti na yung may chili para exciting, di ba? It's up to me. Oh, it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong ilalagay sa loob ng meatballs. So now we're down to the last meatball. After that, yun nga, put it in a chiller for about maybe 30 minutes. And then let's coat these up. Ano ba yun yung timer ko? Tapos, start with flour, followed by the egg and breadcrumbs. Then again, let this rest before natin prituhin. I'm really excited. I just hope I don't get the chili or the one with chilies. I hope I get cheese or Frankfurters or whatnot. Kahit ako yung nagluluto or ako yung gumagawa neto, by the end of the probably cooking method, hindi ko na alam saan yung chili, saan yung cheese, saan yung Frankfurters and all. So yeah, this is really fun. So you should try this at home. Now everything's coated up. Chill again for about maybe 10 minutes lang and then we'll proceed to frying. What? Transition. Heat up some oil, then we'll just fry these until golden brown. That's simple. Probably 7 to 8 minutes and we are done, guys. Yeah, we are done. So just make sure na ginagalaw niyo yung pan or just spread the oil everywhere para even yung pagkaluto ng meatballs. Because what I'm doing here, medyo kulang yung mantika ko. So yeah, diskarte na lang, spin it around, shake your pan, do whatever you want. Basta make sure everything's golden brown. This is the color that you're looking for. That is the true definition of golden brown. remove from the oil and then make sure ma-drain nyo yung mabuti kasi this is too greasy. Yun nga, iwas high blood na lang. And then let's plate this up. So to plate, just transfer these to your favorite plate and you are done. Yeah, that's simple. Pero here, I'm just gonna show you what's inside para alam nyo ano yung mukha. I hope I won't get those chilies. There's still one in those batch na may chili. So at least isa na lang na iiwasan ko. But yeah, that is it. It was very simple. It was very easy and it is exciting and thrilling and suspensing. I don't really know. Basta try this at home. Let me know what you think. And look at that. It's fun. Especially when you get the chilies. There you go, the most exciting, crispy, stuffed meatballs. This is how you should serve meatballs from now on. And that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you're gonna try this at home. It was really fun. It was really exciting. And for sure, if susubukan nyo to sa bahay, especially when you have guests or mga parties, by the end of the day, it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong i-feel or sa stuff sa meatballs nyo. But those feelings were really, fun, thrilling. Inuulit ko kasi yung thrilling kasi by the end of the day, you're not gonna know kung sino makakuha ng chilies or ng cheese or whatnot, diba? Follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, I don't care. Never forget to subscribe. That is it for today. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.